सर Hello, sir. Anybody there?
आगो सर आगो
Ma'am? Ma'am? Hello. Sir? Sir? Hello, sir. Are you there?
Primary children, you are requested to leave the meeting. Primary class children, class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you are requested to leave the meeting. The program will be broadcasted in YouTube. You come to broadcast link of YouTube, Kendriya Vidyalaya ONGC Rajahmundry, YouTube, and you can watch the program. Primary children, please leave the meeting. Those are participating, they will have to.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
I will send YouTube link. I will
Okay,
send
sir.
YouTube link. You can watch from there.
Okay, sir.
हाँ श्रीकांत सर, अभी आप देखिए उन बच्चों को बुला लीजिए जो जो ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं.
सर
हाँ देखिए प्रिंसिपल सर आए नहीं आए.
हेलो
Good morning, ma'am and sirs.
गुड मॉर्निंग
Hello. Good morning, everybody. चलना सर हैं क्या?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, principal sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
It's okay.
Good morning, principal sir.
Good morning.
Say good morning, Nana. 1 minute. Srikanth sir, please verify all participants joined the meeting or not. If anybody not joined, ask them to join, sir. Still they can join. I am reviewing small kids, means one class,
Yes,
2
sir.
kids.
Okay,
Join
okay.
through YouTube.
अच्छा, only 100.
Yes, sir. Maybe Google
Madhu?
suit वालों ने change किया. Only 100 people are admitted, sir.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा.
Yeah, so you have joined, right? Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm present. Sir.
Invocation song, Soumya. Invocation song, Soumya. Soumya.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Soumya, have you
Soumya?
joined?
ज्योतिका
Yes,
song.
sir.
Yes, sir. Soumya
Madam,
joined.
all you, Madam, then Punjabi song that goes in, then Shreyansh has joined, Madam. Shreyansh has joined.
Hello, Shreyansh.
Sir. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Dhanush.
Yes, sir, present.
Dhanush. Okay, thank you. Then Smriti Krishnan.
Yes, sir.
Smriti.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Then Prajna Chandrika and Vaibhav Sai. Have you joined?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Yes, sir, all have joined, sir. All have joined. And Hindi recitation, Kissa?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, sir. All are present, sir. All the participants are present.
Okay, thank you, sir. Then we can start the meeting. Rinku Madam or Peter Srikant, sir, please
Yes.
carry on.
Now the program is handed over to Smriti Krishnan of class 10, and she will lead this entire program for Ek Bharat and Shresth Bharat.
Thank you, sir. Respected principal, sir, teachers, and students, good morning. We invite you all to this webinar on Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat today. Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat aims to enhance interaction and promote understanding between people of different states through the concept of state pairing. The states carry out activities to promote a sustained and structured cultural connect in the areas of language learning, culture, traditions and music, tourism and cuisine, sports and sharing of best practices, etc. India is a unique nation whose fabric has been woven by diverse linguistic, cultural and religious threads held together into a composite national identity by a rich history of cultural evolution, cou- coupled with a freedom struggle that was built around the tenets of nonviolence and justice. Science and technology have narrowed down distances in terms of connect and communication. In an era that facilitates mobility and outreach, it is important to establish cultural exchanges between the people of different regions as a means to further human bonding and a common approach to nation building. For celebrating Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat at our school level through webinar, we have some programs by various students of our school today. First of all, I invite Kumari Jyotika Saumya of class 4 for invocation song.
सब लोग का नमस्कार। मेरा नाम आर ज्योतिका सौम्या है। मैं चौथी कक्षा में आज मैं आपके सामने एक पंजाबी का गीत प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। उसने दे पंजाब दी बहार वेख ले, उसने दे पंजाब की बहार वेख ले, तू आके मेरे देश दी बहार वेख ले, तू आके मेरे देश दी बहार वेख ले। हरे हरे किताब च सिट्टे किले दे, हरे हरे किताब च सिट्टे किले दे, नदी नाले पे पहाड़ रच दे, नदी नाले पे पहाड़ रच दे। पत्ते वाली गौरी दा सिंगार वेख ले, तू आके मेरे देश दी बहार वेख ले, तू आके मेरे देश दी बहार वेख ले। उसने दे पंजाब दी बहार वेख ले, उसने दे पंजाब दी बहार वेख ले, तू आके मेरे देश दी बहार वेख ले, तू आके मेरे देश दी बहार वेख ले। तड़के मचलियां दे शोर मच दे, तड़के मचलियां दे शोर मच दे, हाथा विच मखना दे पेड़े रच दे, हाथा विच मखना दे पेड़े रच दे। चूड़ियां दी आके झनकार वेख ले, तू तो आके मेरे देश की बहार देख ले, तो आके मेरे देश की बहार देख ले, तो आके मेरे देश की बहार देख ले, तू आके मेरे देश की बहार देख ले। धन्यवाद।
Hello. Hello, Jyotika. Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to sing invocation song also.
Okay, ma'am. सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। Goddess Saraswati is the light of hope and peace. May the divine range of Goddess Saraswati be with all of us, bless us with knowledge and wisdom. Happy Vijayadashmi.
Thank you, Jyotika, for giving a fruitful start to this webinar. Next, I invite Mr. G. Peter Srikant Sir TGT for giving an introduction to this program.
Thank you, Smriti. And good morning to all who are present in this webinar on Ek Bharat and Shresth Bharat. Honorable, respected Principal Sir, my dear colleagues, and all the other students who are present in this webinar, and also the parents who are sitting along with the students, for all of them, I wish you on behalf of Ek Bharat and Shresth Bharat. I just want to give a few introductory words on this program, Ek Bharat and Shresth Bharat. Earlier in our Kendriya Vidyalayas, in order to promote unity and diversity, every year social science exhibitions were conducted. But on October 31st, 2015, Honorable Prime Minister of our country had taken a very important decision, and he announced a new program known as Ek Bharat and Shresth Bharat. Therefore, this program, Ek Bharat and Shresth Bharat, was announced by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi on 31st October 2015. And he announced this program on the occasion of 140th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Subsequently, the Finance Minister also announced the initiative in his budget speech for 2016-17. Through this innovative measure, the knowledge of the culture, traditions, and practices of different states in India and the union territories will lead to enhanced understanding and bonding between the states, and thereby strengthening the unity and the integrity of India. The Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat program aims to actively enhance interaction between people of diverse cultures living in different states and union territories in India, with the objective of promoting greater mutual understanding among the states and the union territories. As per this program, Ek Bharat and Shresth Bharat, each year every state or every union territory would be paid with another state or another union territory in India for reciprocal interaction between the people. It is envisaged through this enhance that the knowledge of the language, culture, traditions, and practices of different states will lead to an enhanced understanding and bonding between one another, thereby strengthening the unity and the integrity of India. And if we look into the objectives of Ek Bharat and Shresth Bharat, number one, to celebrate the unity in diversity of our nation and to maintain and strengthen the fabric of traditionally existing emotional bonds between the people of our country. Second objective is to promote the spirit of national integration through a deep and structured engagement between all Indian states and union territories through a year-long planned engagement between states. Thirdly, to showcase the rich heritage and culture, customs and traditions of either state, both the states, for enabling people to understand and appreciate the diversity that is India, thus fostering a sense of common identity. Fourthly, to establish long-term engagements. And lastly, to create an environment which promotes learning between states by sharing best practices and experiences. Dear students, I just want to tell you that as per this program, Ek Bharat and Shresth Bharat, every year, 2 states will be paid, P-A-I-R-E-D, paid. And this year, our state is paid with the state of Punjab. And Punjab is also tied with the state of Andhra Pradesh. So this year, what these both states are going to do is, they will exchange cultures with each other. We will exchange our culture with the state of Punjab, and the state of Punjab will exchange their culture with our state, Andhra Pradesh. So this whole year, we are going to learn certain words and certain phrases from in Punjabi language. In the same way, the Punjabi people also will be learning certain important terminologies from Telugu. Not only that, this year, Punjabis will translate some of the important books of Telugu into Punjabi, and in the same way, Andhra Pradesh people will be translating some of the important Punjabi books into Telugu. So this is how the cultural exchange between these 2 states will continue throughout this year. Not only that, every state and every union territory is paid like that with another state or with another union territory. So through this program, in the long run, every state is going to learn about the cultural practices of another state. So over a long period, lot of cultural exchange is going to take place among all the states and among all the union territories. This is really very good idea. Our India is a country with cultural diversity. We have many religions. We have diversified languages. We have diversified dance forms and many other things. So exchange is going to take place among all these cultural diversities. So let us run along with this program in the coming years. Thank you, students. Thank you very much. And over to Smriti.
Thank you, sir, for giving us the awareness about this program. Next is a solo performance by Shreyansh Nirmal of Class 5. Shreyansh, please.
नमस्ते। मैं श्रेयांश निर्मल केंद्रीय विद्यालय ओएनजीसी राजमुंद्री में कक्षा 5वीं का छात्र एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत के अंतर्गत एक पंजाबी गीत प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। जय श्री राम जय तारे जय श्री राम जय तारे कौने शांति खुशबू मेरे कौने बसारे कौने शांति खुशबू मेरे कौने बसारे जय श्री राम जय तारे जय श्री राम जय तारे चल चल कर दे भग दे नाले चल चल कर दे भग दे नाले दरिया वांदे असली उछाले दरिया वांदे असली उछाले दोस्तियां दे गड़िया दोस्तियां दे गड़िया जय राम जय श्री राम जय तारे जय श्री राम जय तारे कौने शांति खुशबू मेरे कौने बसारे कौने शांति खुशबू मेरे कौने बसारे जय श्री राम जय तारे जय श्री राम जय तारे कदम मिला के जुड़ते जाएंगे कदम मिला के जुड़ते जाएंगे कदम कदम से जोत जगाएंगे कदम कदम से जोत जगाएंगे नित्य कदम पसीने रंग दे नित्य कदम पसीने रंग दे जय श्री राम जय तारे जय श्री राम जय तारे कौने शांति खुशबू मेरे कौने बसारे कौने शांति खुशबू मेरे कौने बसारे जय श्री राम जय तारे जय श्री राम जय तारे
Thank you, Shreyansh, for letting us experience a melodious song. So now we are gonna see a Punjabi dance. Giridhar sir, can you just present the screen for that?
Nirmala madam will share the screen. Madam.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I'm doing. So please do check for the sound, sir.
for the Sharmas. Losing yourself is
Thank you, ma'am. We all know this year the state paired with the state Andhra is Punjab in Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. Now here is Kumari Madhur Bilawat of class 11th with a presentation about Punjab state. Madhu.
Good morning, one and all. Today, we all are here on the subject Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, and I'm here to tell you all about Punjab. Can you all see screen?
Yes, we can see.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Yeah, so as we all know, from the northwest side of India, India begins with Punjab. Not only geographically, but also in the subject of culture and religion, Punjab has a very vibrant role. And in this presentation, in the next few minutes, we'll be talking about the religion of Punjab, festivals, dance and culture, language, food, and the attire of Punjab. Basically, I'll be telling you all about Punjab in a very simplified way. First, it's the religion. First of all, Punjab means Panchanada in Sanskrit, Punjab in Persian, and the land of 5 rivers in English. This area was known as Saptasindhu territory as per Rigveda. So, as in the diagram, most of the population in Punjab follow the religion Sikhism, which is up to 57.7%. And the next highly followed religion is Hinduism, which is 38.5%. And the other part is equally divided between Islam and other religions as 1.9% each. So it's clear that Sikhism is prevailing over Punjab up to 57.7%. Sikhism in one word is one of the world's largest, youngest religions being founded just over 500 years ago. Despite being so young, it is the 5th largest religion in the world with over 20 million followers. Sikhism is not derived from any other religion. The word Sikh in Punjabi language means disciple. Sikhs are the disciples of God who follow the writings and teachings of the 10 Sikh Gurus. So here are some details about Sikhism. Its place of origin is the Punjab, an area of northern India, and Guru Nanak is the founder of Sikhism. They have a sacred text, the Guru Granth Sahib, and a sacred building, the Gurudwara. Sikhs go to the Gurudwara and pray there. It's the holy place. And when I say holy place, I also include the Nankana Sahib, where the founder of Sikh religion, Guru Nanak Dev, was born. And they have a great variety of festivals with color and life. And the major festivals can be also told as Hola Mahalla, which occurs in February or March. And it is a time where contests were when Sikhs show their skills at athletics, horsemanship, and martial arts. And in Sikhism, the concept of God is Vaheguru, wondrous teacher, it means, and considered to be Nirakar, shapeless, Akal, timeless, and Kartapura, the creator, and Agam Agochar, incomprehensible and invisible. The Sikh scripture begins with Ik Onkar, which refers to the formless one, understood in the Sikh tradition as monotheistic unity of God. Sikh ethics emphasizes the congruence between spiritual development and everyday moral conduct, summarized by Guru Nanak. A Sikh can be defined as any human being who faithfully believes in one formless being. As I already told, the Sikh God is a formless God. And then the 10 gurus from Guru Nanak Sahib to Guru Gobind Singh. The Sikhs should follow the teachings of the 10 gurus. And then the Guru Granth Sahib. Every Sikh follows the holy scripture, that is the Guru Granth Sahib. The baptism bequeathed by the 10th Guru, and who does not owe allegiance to any other religion in a Sikh. So a Sikh can be defined by following all these rules. When we come to Punjab, we have a lot of variety of color and festivals. And here are some main festivals which are celebrated every year. So there are festivals based on different subjects, like Baisakhi and Lohri are festivals based on agriculture. Baisakhi is the harvest festival of Punjab and Lohri is the winter harvest festival. And festival based on relationships and bondages is Karwa Chauth and Tikka. Karwa Chauth is celebrated to mark the marital bond, and Tikka is celebrated for proving the siblinghood. And then there are also festivals to mark the onset of seasons. Like Basant Panchami marks the onset of spring. It is celebrated on the coming of springs. And Tiyan is the festival celebrated on the arrival of monsoon. And other religious festivals like Hola Mohalla, which is a performance of martial arts, and Guru Purab is the mark to the martyrdom anniversary of Guru Arjan and Guru Tegh Bahadur. And also the Cheppa Mela, which is a cultural fair, Jor Mela, a religious fair, and many other very enthusiastic celebrations and festivals are done in Punjab. And when it comes to dance and music, who doesn't love the Punjab dance and music? Dancing is a typical feature of such festivals, with Bhangra, Jhoomar, Sami among the most popular genres. Gidda, a native Punjabi tradition, is a humorous song and dance genre performed by women. In addition to Sikh religious music, semi-classical Mughal forms such as Khyal dance and the Tumri, Ghazal, Qawwali song, vocal performances genres continue to be popular. And as we all know, in the present contemporary generation, the indie pop music is very popular. All over the world, everyone enjoys the indie pop music, which is mainly in Punjab and originated in Punjab. Punjab actually adds a great life to dance and music with a very energetic and dynamic performances. And then it comes to language and culture. Love and war, fairs and festivals, dancing, music, and Punjab literature are among the characteristic expressions of this state. The origins of Punjabi literature trace to the mystical and religious verse of 13th century Sufi Sheikh Farid and to the 15th-16th century founder of the Sikh faith, Guru Nanak. Those figures were the first to use Punjabi extensively as a medium of poetic expression. The works of Sufi poet Waris Shah greatly enriched Punjabi literature in the second half of the 18th century. Contemporary in the 20th and early 21st centuries, Punjabi literature found some of its greatest exponents in poet and author Bhai Veer Singh and the poets Puran Singh, Dhani Ram Chatrik, Mohan Singh Mahir, and Shiv Kumar Batavli. Renowned novelists include Jashwant Singh Kamwal, Kulwant Singh, Gyani Gurdit Singh, and Sohan Singh Sheetal. And Kulwant Singh Virik is one of the best known writers of short stories in Punjab. So Punjab language has also gained a vibrant role in literature, short story writings, poetry, and etc. And when it comes to food, Punjab has the most delicious food types. And in Sikhism, Sikhism does not regard fasting as meritorious, as fasting is an austerity, as a ritual, as a mortification of the body by means of willful hunger is forbidden in Sikhism. Sikhism encourages temperance and moderation in food, that is neither starve nor overeat. We all know the famous Punjabi lassi, the tandoori roti, makida roti, and what not. Punjab has the best delicious food cuisine. It is the flavors of butter in all vegetarian as well as meat. Punjab, in Punjab, even the uh, uh, Sikh Lord, the Guru Nanak, also told that the whole family should sit in the kitchen, make food together, and eat it, which is mainly important in this generation as people don't find time to sit together and spend quality time with the family. Next, it's the attire. The traditional Punjabi dress for men is the kurta and tehmat, which is being replaced by kurta and pajama, especially the popular muksari style in India. The traditional dress for women is salwar suit, which is replaced by the traditional Punjabi ghagra. Sorry, the patiala salwar is also very popular. So here we can see is the women wearing the patiala salwar and the men wearing the kurta pajama. Next, as in Punjab, there's a domination of Sikhism. There's a Sikh dress code, which have the 5Ks, which are known as the Kakkars. There are 5 religion signs that are mark of devout Sikh. The names of all 5 begin with the letter K, which is why they are often referred to as the 5Ks. Kesh, hair. Sikhs believe that the course of nature should not be disturbed as far as possible, which is why they refrain from cutting their hair. And Kanga, a comb. A wooden comb is necessary to keep long hair tidy, and this is why Sikhs are always supposed to carry a Kanga at all times. Kara, a steel bangle. The steel bangle is regarded as a symbol of strength and is worn on the right wrist by both men and women. The Kirpana, the dagger. The Kirpan is a small sword and is symbol of self-defense and fight against the evil injustice. Kacha is a pair of shorts, and it's actually a military uniform in the time of Guru Nanak. So here I conclude. Punjab is known for its valor and religion. The spirit of the state given by this Punjab to the nation, and its rich dynamic and energy of all culture and art is popular all over the world. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. And not only by presenting to you all, I've also learned many things about Punjab. So thank you so much and have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you, Madhu, for letting us know much more new facts and information about Punjab. We appreciate your hard work in doing this presentation. अभी हिंदी रेसिटेशन के साथ आ रही है सातवीं कक्षा की कुमारी किसा सुकैना।
सुप्रभात, मैं किसा 7वीं कक्षा से आज आपको पंजाब के बारे में एक कविता बताने वाली हूँ। पंजाब दी धरती के रंग अनेक, जहाँ बहती पंच नदियाँ, खेती हस्ती करती बातें अनेक। किसानों की मेहनत यहाँ अपना है रंग दिखलाती, अनाज देश के हर कोने कोने पहुँचाती। पंजाब के है रंग हजार, झूमती फिरती है यहाँ की मुटियार। लोकगीत है यहाँ की आन, करते सच्चाई हर लफ्ज में बयां। वीर के सर पर करती जहाँ बहन सरदारी, ऐसा है मेरा ये पंजाब। दास्ता है यहाँ वीरों शूरवीरों की, जिन्होंने की वतन पे जान कुर्बान। लोक नाच भांगड़ा गिद्दा हमारा है, जिससे बनी है इसकी शान। बोली पंजाबी इतनी भोली, सीखी जाती सिर्फ हंसते सुनते करते बातें। पंजाब के हर शहर की एक अनोखी बात, करती है दंग सबको यहाँ, मिलजुल के सब भाई करते काम। ऐसा है ये मेरा पंजाब। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद किसा। Now here our beloved principal Shri K.K. Sinha sir is gonna address us on Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat.
Yeah, good morning everybody. Sabko Suprabhat.
Good morning, sir. Suprabhat, sir.
Now, no need to respond. सत श्री अकाल। आज बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण दिन है हम लोगों के लिए, हमारे विद्यालय परिवार के लिए, कि आज हम लोग एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत के अंतर्गत ये वेबिनार आयोजित कर रहे हैं। और इसमें हमारे शिक्षक सोशल साइंस टीचर श्रीकांत सर और जो टेक्निकल सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं चल्ला सर के अलावा महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका हमारे बच्चों की है, जिन्होंने प्रेजेंट किया है एंकरिंग के रूप में स्मृति कक्षा 12वीं की, और अभी अभी कक्षा 11वीं की मधु ने पंजाब पे पूरी विस्तृत जानकारी दी। सारी महत्वपूर्ण जानकारियाँ, जितने भी पहलू हैं, जितने भी एस्पेक्ट्स हैं, सब सारे महत्वपूर्ण जानकारियाँ उसने उपलब्ध कराई। और कार्यक्रम का आरंभ ज्योतिका क्लास चौथी की और श्रेयांश निर्मल कक्षा 5वीं से, और अभी अंत में कविता प्रस्तुति हिस्सा कक्षा 7वीं की। तो सबका महत्वपूर्ण प्रयास रहा, प्रशंसनीय प्रयास रहा। सबको बधाई और धन्यवाद। जैसा कि आरंभ में एंकरिंग में स्मृति ने और हमारे सोशल साइंस टीचर श्रीकांत सर ने बताया, इसकी उपयोगिता, इसकी महत्ता, इसकी सार्थकता, एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत। हम सभी जानते हैं हमारा भारत कितना विशाल है, और विशालता इतनी है तो ये स्वाभाविक है कि इसमें विविधता भी होगी। ड्यू टू वास्टनेस देयर इज डाइवर्सिटी। तो इस इतनी विविधता है विशालता के कारण कि ये बहुत ही कठिन है अपने देश को, देश की विविधताओं को समझना। विविधताएं अनेक रूप में है, हम सभी जानते हैं। हर एक राज्य लगभग उनकी अपनी भाषा है, अपनी पहचान है, अपनी संस्कृति है, अपनी वेशभूषा है। तो और ऐसे ऐसे लगभग 28 राज्य हैं, और हर एक राज्य की अपनी अलग अलग पहचान, अपनी अलग अलग संस्कृति है। लेकिन इन सब के बावजूद हम एक हैं, हम सभी भारतीय हैं, और यही उद्देश्य है इस कार्यक्रम का, एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत का। हमारी पहचान भारतीय के रूप में है, वी ऑल आर इंडियंस। तो ये एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत हमें अवसर देता है हमारे देश को जानने का, समझने का, पहचानने का। और इतनी विशालता है, इतनी विविधता है कि एक बार में पूरे देश को समझना इतना सरल नहीं है। इसलिए भारत सरकार ने ये निर्णय लिया कि प्रत्येक वर्ष दक्षिण भारत के एक राज्य को उत्तर भारत के एक राज्य से जोड़ा जाएगा। और शिक्षा एक ऐसा क्षेत्र है, उसमें भी विद्यालय, स्कूली शिक्षा, जिसके माध्यम से ये टारगेट दिया गया है कि हम दूसरे राज्य जो दूसरे क्षेत्र में है उसकी सारी विविधताओं को जानने का, समझने का प्रयास करें। खास करके उनकी संस्कृति को और नज़दीक से जानने का अवसर प्राप्त कराता है ये कार्यक्रम, एक भारत समृद्ध भारत। और जिस तरह से जानकारी उपलब्ध कराई मधु ने, विशेष रूप से धन्यवाद की पात्र है। आपको पता है हमारी आज़ादी के बाद 1947 में हमारा देश कितने भागों में बटा हुआ था, छोटे छोटे देशी रियासतों में बटा हुआ था, स्मॉल किंगडम्स में, मोर देन 600। और उसको राजनीतिक रूप से और भौगोलिक रूप से एक अगर किसी ने किया, अगर वो क्रेडिट किसी को जाता है, वो हमारे देश के लौह पुरुष सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल हैं, जिनकी जयंती इसी महीने में 31 अक्टूबर को है। तो ये लौह पुरुष सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल का अथक प्रयास, उनकी दूरदर्शिता है, जिसके कारण ये जो हम इतना बड़ा भारत एक भौगोलिक इकाई के रूप में, राजनीतिक इकाई के रूप में देखते हैं, उनका सबसे बड़ा योगदान है। लेकिन राजनीतिक और भौगोलिक इकाई होने के बावजूद इतनी भाषाई और सांस्कृतिक विविधता, जब तक उसको नज़दीकी से और अच्छी तरह से पहचानेंगे नहीं, समझेंगे नहीं, और सचमुच में हम एक नहीं हो पाएंगे। तो ये हमें एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत कार्यक्रम हमें बहुत सुनहला अवसर प्राप्त कराता है अपने देश के विभिन्न और विविध संस्कृति को जानने का, पहचानने का। अभी पंजाब को समझने के अंतर्गत हम लोगों ने देखा, पंजाब की एक बहुत बड़ी विशेषता है, छोटा सा राज्य है उत्तर पश्चिम भारत में, और उत्तर भारत में कह लें, हार्डली इसका जो ज्योग्राफिकल एरिया है पूरे देश के 1.53% है, अराउंड 1.5%। लेकिन ये यहाँ के लोग इतने मेहनती हैं, यहाँ के लोग बड़े जवान होते हैं, खाने पीने में भी खूब खाते हैं और खूब मेहनत करते हैं, मेहनत कश लोग हैं, परिश्रमी हैं, वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग लेबोरियस पीपल आर देयर इन पंजाब। वो वीट प्रोडक्शन पूरे इंडिया का 20% पंजाब में होता है। टू staple food grains of India, paddy and wheat, is produced in large amount in Punjab. मैंने बताया आपको, गेहूं, wheat 20% पूरे देश का, और मात्रा में, क्वांटिटी में लगभग इतना ही और इससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही पैडी का, धान का उत्पादन पंजाब करता है। और फूड पूल की बात करें, फूड रिजर्व कंट्री लेवल पे, उसमें वीट में ऑलमोस्ट 50% कंट्रीब्यूशन पंजाब का होता है, यानी कि इतना एक्स्ट्रा सरप्लस प्रोडक्शन करता है वीट का। तो यहाँ कल्टीवेशन, कृषि, खेती, एग्रीकल्चर मुख्य पेशा है, और यहाँ की ज़मीन जो है उपजाऊ है, प्लेन है, समतल है, और ऑलमोस्ट 83-84% लैंड पे एग्रीकल्चर होता है। और जो जितना भी कल्टिवेबल लैंड है, ऑलमोस्ट 97% एश्योर्ड, गारंटीड इरिगेशन है। तो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चरल डेवलपमेंट भी काफ़ी है, और काफ़ी मेहनत कश लोग हैं, और पूरे देश को ये अन्न उपलब्ध कराता है, और इसलिए इसको बाउल ऑफ व्हीट भी कहते हैं। गेहूं की कटोरी पूरे पंजाब को कहते हैं देश के लिए। भारत का अगर गेहूं का कटोरा है, बाउल ऑफ व्हीट है, वो पंजाब है। और तो जब इतना उपज होता है और इतना पैदावार होता है, स्वाभाविक है कि यहाँ के लोग मेहनत कश होंगे, काफ़ी परिश्रमी होंगे। और बाकी सारी जानकारी हम लोगों ने पाई, मधु ने उपलब्ध कराई। तो यहाँ के लोग वाइब्रेंट वर्ड उसने यूज किया, रियली वाइब्रेंट, उत्साह और जोश से भरे हुए यहाँ के लोग होते हैं। और ये इनकी संस्कृति में दिखता है, वेशभूषा में दिखता है, इनके डांस, भांगड़ा डांस आप देखें तो पूरा फुल ऑफ एनर्जी है, विगर है, हमेशा उछलते नजर आएंगे। इससे दिखता है इनके डांस टाइप से देख के लगता है कि इनमें एनर्जी, इनमें उत्साह भरपूर है, और उसका प्रदर्शन करते हैं, उसका उपयोग करते हैं, और अपने जीवन को पूरा एंजॉय करते हैं। तो हम आप सभी का फिर से हार्दिक अभिनंदन करते हैं इस समारोह में शामिल होने के लिए। और एक लिमिटेशन इस कार्यक्रम में हुआ, जो अभी हम लोगों को पता चला कि इसमें 100 से ज़्यादा लोग नहीं जुड़ सकते हैं। पहले ये 250 का लिमिट था। सो दैट्स व्हाई मेनी ऑफ आवर मेंबर्स, अदर staff members or the students could not join this program. But really I feel that it is very interesting, informative. It will create interest to learn and know more and more about the paired state that is Punjab. So once again, आप सभी को धन्यवाद, आप सभी को बधाई, आप सभी का वंदन इस कार्यक्रम में जुड़ने के लिए। और ये कार्यक्रम मुझे विश्वास है, उम्मीद है कि आप सबों को ये मोटिवेशन देगा, आप लोगों को इंस्पायर करेगा कि इसी तरह से जितनी सांस्कृतिक विविधता है देश की, उसको और गहराई से जाने, ताकि देश को और अपने लोगों को समझने का अवसर प्रदान हो। धन्यवाद। Over to Smriti.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for your address, which gave us more knowledge about Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. Here comes Master S. Dhanush Kumar of Class 10 for proposing vote of thanks.
I would like to thank our Honorable Principal Sir, Social Sir, also the other members who gave such a fabulous performance by presenting beautiful songs, poems, and giving unaware information about Punjab, and especially all the students who gave an hour of their busy life and made this webinar a successful program. Thank you.
Now it is time to wind up our program on Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. I invite Kumari Pregnya Chandrika of Class 10 and Vaibhav Sai of Class 8 for National Anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा कलगंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे चाहे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय जय हे जय 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 हे।
As children, those are prepared videos on CVC, Vigilance for ONGC. Send your videos to your class teachers immediately. Then we can consolidate videos and we can hand over it to the ONGC people. Don't forget, by afternoon, you just send the videos to our class teachers. You can upload the video in YouTube and also you can send, otherwise you can send directly also. Thank you.
Sir?
Those are not able to attend this program. The link will be shared with the all classes in the YouTube. The program, full length program will be available within 15 to 20 minutes. Anchal.
सर आपके पर्सनल व्हाट्सएप में हमें भेजना है क्या सर?
Yes, it is already आपको ग्रुप में डाला गया है कि जिस 8th क्लास को मेरे 8th क्लास के बच्चे में एज हमारे सिटी क्लास टीचर ऑफ 8th क्लास के वीडियोस मेरे पर्सनल व्हाट्सएप में भेजेंगे.
Okay sir. Sir, can we send till afternoon today afternoon, sir?
By afternoon, it is time also mentioned by 12 noon or 2 p.m. Before 2 p.m. you just send. Otherwise, we have to segregate and once again we have to consolidate also.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Giridhar sir, thank you very much, sir, for organizing.
Thank you, Srikant sir. They changed the limit of 50 to 100. We too don't know. Then we will plan streaming. So streaming also not available there. So We will upload the program in YouTube.
Okay, sir. Sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Children and staff, please, if you leave the meeting, then only the recording will be stopped.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Sahasra, leave the meeting. Maitreyi, Sumanaswini, Manisha madam, please leave the meeting. Monish, Sai Teja, Sridhar, please leave the meeting. Akshaya, please leave the meeting.